Hey, welcome. So, let me ask you something. Do your mornings feel less like a calm, happy start and more like a frantic, high stress countdown to launch? Yeah? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to look at this really brilliant but super simple idea that can turn all that chaos into a fun mission for your kids. Okay, let's set the scene. You know it, I know it, we all know it. It's that daily whirlwind, right? That preschool rush hour. It definitely has a name, the morning chaos. Seriously? Does this feel a little too familiar? That feeling of gearing up for a daily battle just to get everyone fed, dressed, and out the door on time? If you're nodding along right now, I promise you, you are so not alone in this. And it's always the little things that pile up, isn't it? You've got the desperate hunt for the one missing shoe, the intense negotiations over what is and is not an acceptable breakfast, and, oh yeah, the classic, just 5 more minutes plea. Before you know it, you're all rushing and everyone's day starts off completely stressed out. But here's the really good news. It honestly doesn't have to be like this. What if I told you that just a tiny shift in how you look at the morning could change, well, everything? Because it can. There is a much better way. So, how do we actually make that shift? Well, you reframe the entire morning. Instead of it being this huge struggle, it becomes a new mission. And that's the big idea we're going to break down today. It's called the school readiness game. And the most important word in there, it's game. See, this isn't about giving your kids a new list of rules to follow. It's about creating a fun, interactive challenge that actually empowers them. It gives them a sense of ownership, which is a total game changer. So it all boils down to this one really powerful idea. Turn the routine into a game. That's it. That's the secret sauce. You just transform this boring list of chores into a series of levels they have to beat. And suddenly, you don't have a reluctant kid you have to nag, you have a willing player. It taps right into their natural love of play and gives them a feeling of accomplishment. And that's a huge motivator. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, right? But how does it actually work in the real world? Well, this is the best part. It is so incredibly simple to set up. Let's walk through exactly how you execute the plan. All right, here they are, the 5 main objectives for the morning mission. Think of them like levels in a video game. Level 1, get dressed. Boom, complete. Level 2, eat breakfast. Done. Then you move on to brushing teeth and packing their bag, all leading up to the final boss, a happy, stress-free goodbye. Each step is a clear, satisfying win for them. Now, inside this really simple framework, there's a little secret weapon, a really clever detail that makes one of these steps, extra fun. And here it is. For the teeth brushing step, you do it with a timer song. You see the genius in that? It's not just, hey, go brush your teeth for 2 minutes. No, it's, can you finish before the song ends? Now it's a race, it's a challenge, and most importantly, it's actually fun. So once all the levels are cleared and that timer song is over, what have you both actually achieved? It's way more than just being ready on time. You've officially reached mission accomplished. I mean, this is the whole transformation right here. The morning goes from pure chaos to a fun challenge. That daily battle, it becomes a game you're both playing. And stress is replaced with a shared feeling of success. You're not fighting each other or the clock anymore. You're teammates on a mission. And let's be totally clear, this is about so much more than just getting out the door. This game is actually a really powerful tool. It's preparing your child's mind and body for a fantastic day of learning. It teaches them independence and routine, and it lets them start their day with a win. That's huge. So I'll leave you with this question. If this one simple switch from chore to game can completely change your mornings, where else could you use this idea? Tidy up time, getting ready for bed, the possibilities are pretty much everywhere. Thanks for checking out this explainer.